Great. Daksh Panara,
Yes, sir.
welcome. Rajesh Parmar, Rajesh Parmar. Rajesh, are you there? Not there. Ravi Parmar. Ravi's not there. Khushi.
Present,
Khushi
sir.
Prasanna. Good. Anand Patel.
Yes, sir.
Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
Keyur Patel. Keyur Patel. Not there. Kushal Patel.
Yes,
Kushal
sir.
Patel. Kushal. Welcome. Ankit Pipalia.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Isha Pipalia.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Path.
Present, sir.
Welcome. Jay Shankar.
Yes, sir.
Good. Maniratna.
Sir.
Welcome. Thakur Sahab. Manish Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Nidhi Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Darshit Jalawadi. Darshit Jalawadi. Darshit is not there in the list. Okay. So once again, let me. Yes, Kunal is not there. Kunal Kumar is not there. Mahima is not there. After Nandan is not there. Rajesh Parmar is not there. Keur is absent and Darshit is absent. So these are the absences. Okay, good. So this is our first session for the fourth semester. Might be many of you as many of you have dealt with me in the previous semester. Might be not sure. Your third semester faculty was Chetan sir, is it? Chetan Waghela. Chetan C. Waghela. He was your first semester faculty, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
He was taking care for your probability and statistic for the third semester G2 subject. Now all of you are in the fourth semester, and the fourth semester we are having one more mathematics subject, that is, किसी को नाम पता है? What is the
Sir.
name of, yes,
Yes,
what's
sir.
that?
Discrete mathematics.
Discrete mathematics.
Yes, Manish, yes, it is discrete mathematics. And have you gone through the syllabus? Have you gone through the syllabus of discrete mathematics? Any of you?
Yes, sir.
How many of you gone through that? Yes, sir. लास्ट में किसने बोला यस सर?
Sir, Manish.
यस मनीष, बताओ बेटा, डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स के सिलेबस आपने, एज यू सेड दैट यू हैड गॉन थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर सिलेबस, पता है आपको कौन कौन से
Sir,
टॉपिक है?
Yes, sir. Sir, functions or sir derivatives has something.
डेरिवेटिव्स नहीं है बेटा.
Sir, partial, sir,
Sir,
partial.
set theory.
Yes, set theory is one of the topic.
Sir, function is one of topics, sir.
Yes, set theory, function and counting. This is the first unit. Set theory plus functions plus counting. This is the first unit. So ये तो एक ही यूनिट की बात हुई. We are supposed to deal with the 5 different units. Okay.
I cannot remember all of this.
I will introduce the syllabus in front of you. Just 3 minutes before that. बैच बी इज इट एंड बैच बी में टोटल स्टूडेंट कितने हैं लाइक record 28 students are there in the lab batch B. Out of that 23 are present over here, so 5 बच्चे absent हैं. ठीक है. How's you all? First of all, let's start with some of the formal discussion. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप सब?
Sir, very good.
Fine.
मस्त मजा में.
That's मजा में. Okay. It is not like that. Okay, 2 or 3 students are supposed to talk with me. This session must be interactive, is it? You must feel free to talk with me. Feel free to talk with your faculty, please. So कैसा रहा थर्ड सेमेस्टर? पहले यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते चलिए. How was your third semester mathematics?
Sir,
Sir, good but not perfect as a offline.
Good, but
Like
not.
as a perfect like as online offline. So offline is better than online.
Oh yeah. That's true. Offline is far better than the online, but as per the situation, as per the scenario we are facing due to this pandemic, we need to cope up with the situation. That's also fact.
Yes, sir.
So I'm not just asking for any one or two subjects. I'm asking overall. कैसा रहा पूरा सेमेस्टर? क्या लगा आपको कि you guys were able to get some of the proper knowledge or not? मजा आ रही थी ना? You were not enjoying, you were enjoying, और ये ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स जो आपको पता है कि भाई you may join from your cell phone, or we are not having that much surety whether you guys are attending that session with the pure focus or not. So वो नहीं पता है हमको. So that's why I'm asking कि how was that? What is your experience? Because now we guys are having experience of one whole semester. तो जहाँ पे भी आपको लग रहा है कि there is a scope of improvement from the faculty side for XYZ subject, for one of the subjects, suppose if I'm specifically asking for the mathematics, to you have already learned the probability and statistic in the online mode in the third semester. So आपके दिमाग में काफी कुछ होगा कि सर यहाँ पे स्कोप है कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट का. अगर आप इस तरीके से पढ़ाओगे तो इट विल बी गुड फॉर अस, इट विल बी मोर हेल्पफुल. So I'm trying to get that particular information. Okay, is there any CR from this lab batch? What I am going to do, I will assign 3 different CR from each and every batch, lab batch. जैसे कि अभी हम बात करें lab batch B के लिए, so I need one of the lab representative. जिससे मैं हर बार सबसे पहले बात करूंगा कि भाई सपोज आई एम असाइनिंग वन ऑफ द पर्सन, सपोज आनंद, आई एम असाइनिंग हिम एज ए बैच रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, देन आई विल बी इंटरेक्टिंग विद हिम मोस्टली for any common information, any general information. So first of all, let me know who is ready to take that responsibility of the CR of this particular lab batch, and that will be just and just for the my subject. Okay. After that, I will introduce myself, and then we will discuss related to the subject. So first of all, ये बताइए who will work as a batch representative of this particular batch B of the 4th EC1 class. चलिए बताइए आप में से वॉलंटियरली कौन रेडी है ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने के लिए. आनंद, अंकित, भावेश, चिंतन, दक्ष, ध्रुव, ध्येय, ईशा, जेनी, जय, खुशी, ज्वलंत, खुशाल, लीजा. So many students are here. So I need a single name. Oh, you may give your what. Yes, sir. He or she is perfect for this particular job. You may give your what. Hopefully, I'm audible to all of you. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So who is gonna take that responsibility Kushi has nominated herself. How many of you agree with her? How many of you agree with her? Kushi will. Jwalant, are you nominating yourself or you are agree with Kushi?
Sir, agree, sir.
Sir, you
Okay.
decide.
And Kushi is also nominating one more person, that is Lisa. Okay, so choose from Kushi or Lisa. So both of you will unmute yourself. Lisa, Kushi, both of you unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो तुम्हारा बेमती कौन है काम करसे?
Khushi will do it, sir.
We both will do it together.
No, I will not assign two person. I will be just in need of a single representative. खुशी तो एक ही हो
Khushi,
सकता
you
है,
do it.
या तो खुशी या तो लीजा बोल. लीजा बोल रही कि खुशी करेगी.
Okay, sir, I will do it.
Okay, so Khusi is a lab representative of this particular B batch of 4AC1 class. Okay, and Khushi, this is just for my subject, that is mathematics, that is discrete mathematics. Okay, ये जो असाइन मैं कर रहा हूँ आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे सब्जेक्ट के लिए. So it is not like that कि you will be there in the class like that कि yes I am a CR, I am a CR. तो ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है? हमारी बैच में कर सकती है, ठीक है? Good. So, now let me introduce myself. Vipul Ladwa, Professor Vipul Ladwa from the Department of Mathematics and associated with Artificial Intelligence and Big Data Analytics Department. I'm from that particular department, and for this particular semester, fourth semester, for the discrete maths, I will be your instructor throughout the semester. I'm gonna take for your 4 lectures per week and 3 lab, all 3 lab, lab A, lab B, and lab C. So most of you, शायद जब तक मुझे याद है, I had delivered one of the session in your lab in third semester. Is it? खुशी याद है कहीं मैंने एक लेक्चर लिया है आपके सेमेस्टर, आपके इस बैच में थर्ड सेमेस्टर में, when CIV sir was not there and I was there for proxy. ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था? बी बैच में
Yes,
हुआ था?
sir. हुआ था.
कौन सा टॉपिक मैंने पढ़ाया था?
सर वो तो याद नहीं है, पर हुआ था. बीच में आपने एक लेक्चर लिया था और फिर बाद में सबको वो एक लेक्चर में पढ़ाया था. फिर you also took one lecture as a proxy at the last when he was not available.
Okay. So जैसे कि आपने बताया, you had not remember the topic कि मैंने कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ाया था. That means I had not delivered that session that much effectively, is it? अगर मैंने ठीक से पढ़ाया होता तो आपको याद रहता कि मैंने कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ाया था. Might be that is the case. किसी को याद है मैंने कौन सा टॉपिक डिलीवर किया था आपकी लैब बैच में? From the probability and statistics, might be from the one of the distribution. वो एक distribution करवा.
सर हमने एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए थे.
Of which unit?
फोर्थ यूनिट.
Fourth unit मानी कि correlation regression.
हाँ शायद वही किए थे सर.
Okay. ठीक है. So तो भी आपके लिए तो एक नया ही फैकल्टी है, क्योंकि शायद उस टाइम दैट वाज अ प्रॉक्सी सेशन, सो आपने शायद इतने अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा. तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Chetan sir and me is we both are best friends since last 10 to 12 years. So I had already taken some of the reviews of your class from him, and I'm having some of the image of all the batches in my mind. कि भाई EC1 की batch B, batch A, batch C, how they are behaving, how they are responding, class कितना interactive होता है. So I'm having some of that particular image in my mind for all of you, and that's enough. That's all from my side. It's okay. Now, let me share my screen with all of you. In the fourth semester, discrete maths, the syllabus will be, my screen will be visible to all of you. Two, three. Yes, yes. Hopefully it's visible, is it? My screen is visible. Is it, Kushi? Kushi?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, खुशी देख जब तुझे मैं CR बना रहा हूँ तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि in between the session if my voice is lagging or if there is an issue related to if there is any kind of issue from my side during the session, whether it is lecture, whether it is lab, then you will be the first person who is gonna unmute herself and feel free to talk with me, sir. Your voice is lagging, sir. There is a kind of echo issue from your side. ज़्यादातर lecture में, if my cell phone is near to me, then you guys will face some of the echo issue. Because I have always I'm joining from two different devices. The reason is that so I can access your comment in the chat box. तो दो अलग डिवाइस से मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ ऑलवेज. तो अगर वो सेल फोन थोड़ा नज़दीक है या तो फिर उसमें वॉइस वॉल्यूम थोड़ा बड़ा है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, then surely you guys will face a echo issue like that. Let me show you now. Now you will have some of kind of echo now. Is it that? Is it the issue, kind of echo over there?
No, sir, echo is not that, but little background noise is coming, so not that much, but little.
Yes. So जो भी हो, खुशी, ऐसी कोई भी query है, ऐसी कोई भी issue है, then you will be the first person who will let me know about that. Okay. And mostly I will be asking you कि सर खुशी देख मेरी screen visible है या नहीं है बेटा, तो तुझे जल्दी से response करना है, ठीक है? अभी अगर तू CR है तो that is एक बात कंपलसरी हो गई कि मैं हर बार तुझे ही पूछूंगा तो मुझे पता होगा कि तू कब सेशन में एक्टिव है कब नहीं है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the fourth semester syllabus. We are in the GTU and the subject code is 3140708. 3140708. Now, this is the course which is introduced in the previous semester. In the previous year, sorry, not semester. पिछली बार ये पहली बार इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ. So all those students जो कि आपके सीनियर अभी जो 6th semester में हैं, that studied this syllabus first time. जो 8th sem में बच्चे हैं उन लोगों ने ये नहीं पढ़ा हुआ है क्योंकि तब GTU में ये syllabus ही नहीं था, कुछ और था. So GTU has revised, वो proper time interval पे अपना syllabus revise करते हैं. So this is one of the revised syllabus, and one of the drawback we guys will face that we are not having any previous year paper of this subject. We are not having any previous year paper. Why? आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होगा कि सर अभी आपने बताया कि जो अभी बच्चे 6th semester में उन लोगों ने ये पढ़ा हुआ, but at the time of examination the pandemic was there, and due to that pandemic you guys were having that mass promotion. So इस सब्जेक्ट की एग्जाम नहीं हुई अब तक. So we are not having any previous year paper for this syllabus. Okay, but the similar kind of subjects, similar kind of topics, वो MCA के एक दो प्रोग्राम के अंदर है. So we are having that backup with us कि वहां से हम देख सकते हैं कि भाई सिलेबस में से GTU किस किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन निकाल सकते हैं. So ये प्रॉब्लम रहेगा for the semester. The name of our subject will be is discrete mathematics, and these are the prerequisites. Tops up. If you go through any of the syllabus of any of the university, whether we are dealing with the GTU or Marwari University or any of the standard university, suppose कोई भी ले लीजिए आप university, and there will be some of the prerequisites for any of the subject. जैसे कि अगर आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड स्टेटिस्टिक जो अभी हम खत्म कर चुके हैं थर्ड सेमेस्टर का, उसका एग्जाम क्या पता होगा नहीं होगा, मास प्रमोशन आ जाएगा, आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दैट, बट अगर वो भी देखेंगे ना तो उसमें भी कुछ प्री रिक्विजिट्स थी। उसका सिलेबस अगर आप देखें तो उसमें भी प्री रिक्विजिट्स थी। A person must be clear with the fundamental knowledge of probability as well as some of the basic information related to statistics. आपको पता होना चाहिए what are the measures of central tendency, how we guys will calculate mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance क्या है, skewness क्या है, kurtosis क्या है, ये सब अगर आपको पता है, then you will be able to run with that particular syllabus of PS. तो ऐसे इस सिलेबस का भी कुछ प्रीरिक्विजिट है, वो क्या है, दैट इज अलजेब्रा एंड लॉजिक. You must be good with the fundamental of algebra. You must be good with a kind of logic which you guys are using in some of your computer subjects. तो उतना तो होगा ही पक्का. And these are our teaching scheme. 3 lectures, 2 practicals per week, but instead of allotting 3 lectures, we guys are giving 4 lectures. We guys will meet 4 times a week for a lecture, and we will meet once in a week for our lab session. ठीक है. सो हर एक बैच के लिए वीक में 5 घंटा रहेगा. उसमें से 4 will be the lecture and 1 hour of lab. Give me 1 minute just. यस खुशी, एक ही मिनट है बेटा, मैंने ही म्यूट किया. वेट. Yes, so we were discussing about the syllabus and yes. So 4 लेक्चर रहेंगे, 1 घंटा लैब रहेगी हर एक बैच के लिए, and these are units. We will cover 5 different units throughout the semester, and we will start with the first unit only. In the first unit, we will be focusing on these 3 topics: set theory, functions, and counting. These 3 are quite basic related to algebra, and almost I can say most of you, I can say 90-95% student will be comfortable with the set theory, even with the functions. हो सकता है कि counting आपने यहाँ से पहले नहीं पढ़ा है, but you guys set theory आपने learn किया है from your 8th standard. Functions भी 10वीं से आ रहे, 10th में आपने study किया, फिर 12th you were having all that topics what is one function, onto function, how to check whether the function is surjective, injective, bijective or not, how to find the composition of two different functions, how to identify when we can go for the inverse of a function, what is the identity function, what is a constant function, what we mean by range, what we mean by image, what we mean by codomain. So ये सारा आपने पढ़ा हुआ है set theory as well as functions. So this is our first unit, set theory, function and counting. छोटा सा यूनिट है जिसका वेटेज भी बहुत छोटा है, that is 12% only. After that we'll switch over to the second unit, that is logic and predicates. In the second unit, we'll be dealing with the propositional logic and predicate logic. And might be you guys are a little bit good with this predicates as well as propositional. ये भी आपके कंप्यूटर के दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स में आ रहा था, is it? Then after in the third unit, and the weightage of the second unit is 13%. So observe here. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड यूनिट्स, इन दोनों को अगर आप मिलाए तो वेटेज होता है 25%. दैट मीन्स 1/4 ऑफ द सिलेबस, 1/4 ऑफ द सिलेबस. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड यूनिट will have 25% weightage together, and after that unit 3, 4 and 5 will have the same weightage of 25%. Unit 3 will be of 25% weightage. Weightage of unit 4 will be 25%, as well as weightage of unit 5 will be 25. So अगर आप इस तरीके से देखें तो फर्स्ट सेकेंड यूनिट मिला के 1/4 हो रहा है, बाकी के सारे यूनिट 1/4 1/4 1/4 है. ठीक है. सो यहाँ से ये अंदाजा भी लग सकता है कि फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड यूनिट थोड़े छोटे हैं, बाकी के यूनिट इन कंपेयर ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड लिटिल बिट लेंथी. Is it? Okay. Khushi.
Yes, sir.
One of you were asking that ये लैब कब खत्म होने वाली है. Who was that? खुशी देख तो जरा. Who was asking about the lab in the WhatsApp group? Now, third unit. In the third unit, we will study about relation and partial ordering. Now, this is very, very interesting subject. Relation is actually in the continued format of the function. Function के बाद ही ये continue हो सकता है. So, ये first and third is in the continued format. Okay. So, हो सकता है after the first unit, we may go for the third. So in the third unit, the topics will be relation and partial ordering, posset, cosset, like all that. Then reconciliation is also the part of the third unit. So third unit is quite lengthy: relation, partial ordering, and reconciliation. We need to cover these three topics. Then fourth unit is purely focused, purely based on the algebra. In the fourth unit, we guys will focus on some of the algebraic structure, some of the standard algebraic structure like group, ring, what we mean by group, or what are the different types of group, semi group किसको बोल सकते हैं, monoid किसको बोल सकते हैं, subgroup का मतलब क्या है, normal subgroup क्या है, how we guys will deal with the permutation in the group, quotient क्या है. So all these things we guys gonna include in the fourth semester, and a kind of intro for the ring and field also. What is integral domain, ring and field. So these are the topics of the fourth unit, and the weightage of fourth unit is 125%. And the last unit. अब अगर आप देखेंगे then this the last unit काफी लंबा लग रहा है आपको. देखिए, so many topics we need to cover in this, but my screen is visible ना?
Yes, sir.
तो देखिए last unit that is basically on graphs and trees. तो देखिए कितना सारा कंटेंट है. इसमें. But all these are the small topics. Suppose definition, then after examples of nodes, weighted graph क्या है, isolated node क्या है, null graph क्या है. So don't worry about this particular कि इसमें काफी सारे टॉपिक है. नहीं भाई, ये सिर्फ सारे टॉपिक उसमें स्पेसिफाई किए हुए हैं. So ये भी कोई बड़ा यूनिट नहीं, but the weightage of this is 25% and graph theory and tree. This unit will help you guys a lot for your further subjects. नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में जितने भी सब्जेक्ट आ रहे हैं, जिसके यहाँ पे मैथ्स नहीं होगा, कुछ और होगा, आपके कोई ब्रांच स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट होंगे, बट यू गाइस विल बी यूजिंग दिस नॉलेज in some other subjects. Okay, so this is a brief introduction of syllabus for the fourth semester. Okay, and these are the list of some of the standard reference book which is suggested by GTU. And out of that, I will forward. I'm having a soft copy of 2 or 3 books from this list, but actually I cannot forward to you because there is a copyright issue. But we'll see how I will make that books available for you. Okay, don't worry. So, and at the last. What will be the teaching scheme? वो भी बता दो रुक जाइए. It will be ditto same as the probability and statistic. For this particular subject, you will not have any answer. You will not have any viva or submission marks. We will be focusing on end semester exam. Your end semester exam will be of 70 marks, and your mid. We'll consider mid-semester exam for the rest of the 30 marks. Okay, so इस subjects में practical marks कुछ भी नहीं है, submission नहीं होगा, viva भी इस subject का नहीं होगा. At the end of semester, give me 1 minute.